All right, boys and girls. Okay, I am getting tons and tons of messages from you guys today. Today is Wednesday, May 6th. Okay, today I have assigned you guys the squiggle story and the famous inventions slides, where there's slides about famous inventors right here. And I am getting so many messages from you guys, private messages. You guys are like freaking out. Okay, so we're going to start it off by right now, I'm going to tell you guys, calm down. It is okay. All right? Boys and girls, I am trying to assign you stuff for you to have some fun. Okay? Learning is supposed to be fun. You need to stop stressing out and make it a little bit more fun. Okay? You guys are so worried about doing everything perfect. Stop. All right, so I'm going to go over what is expected of you for today. Number 1, have fun with whatever you're doing. That is priority numero uno. All right? So I assigned a squiggle story today and it wasn't opening. So I had to delete that post because it wouldn't let me fix it. And so then I assigned, you'll see 2 that says fixed squiggle story. Well, because I fixed it, and so I fixed it and people were allowed to, but then I had people messaging me, I deleted it, or something happened and some people couldn't get into it. So then I just, keep it easy, I just reassigned it for those people who couldn't get into it, okay? So you don't have to do both, you just do one. Okay, when you guys go into this assignment, you're going to go into view the assignment. All right. Oops, sorry, that's mine. Okay, you're going to go into view the assignment. I have directions. Guys, the squiggle is attached. So when you open this up, it pops up like this. Sorry, my computer's super slow. Will you grab my coffee from the laundry room? Okay, there it is. So here's the squiggle. Now, if you have an iPad or something and it's easy, you could draw it on here, but not me. I like to draw on paper with pencils, blah, blah, blah. So all I would do, guys, is I would get a piece of paper and trace as best as I can this squiggle on a piece of paper. And then I'm going to look at it and I'm going to draw onto it and create some picture. Okay? Then what you guys can do is you can do it on your own separate piece of paper if you want to. Thank you, sweetie. Ooh, Izzy's bringing me coffee. You could do it on your own separate piece of paper if you want to. Or you can come in here, give your story a title, and type your story. Your story is about the picture you drew. Okay? Just tell me a story about that picture you drew. You can have characters, you can have a beginning, middle, and end, try to have a problem and a solution. Just create some fun story. Stop taking it so seriously, just some fun story. Okay? The next thing that I have assigned to you guys today, oops, let me go back in here, is this Wednesday famous inventions. Okay, you guys are gonna go in here. See, that's you guys. You see, hear all that dinging? I have right now 4 messages from you guys in the last 4 minutes. I have had 4 messages from people asking me questions. What do I do? What? I can't find the squiggle. I don't get it. Calm down, guys. And then if I'm not messaging you guys back in 30 seconds, you're freaking out. Calm down. Have some fun. All right. So on this one, guys, look, see, what if you don't have an idea for a new invention? You don't have to have it come to you right now. Guys, inventions are anything, a toy, a game, anything. Calm down. McKenna's and a bunch of them saying, I don't see the cardboard boxes. Okay, guys, the cardboard box invention is separate. It's the flip grid thing that that you guys are doing on Friday, where you can use a cardboard box. You guys can use a shoe box. I had some people that are like, do I have to use a box? I don't care. Just come up with some type of invention, whatever you want. Have fun. Stop being being so serious. Have fun, okay? All this is just nonfiction reading passages, okay? So you're going to read these texts as soon as they pop up, because my computer works slow as molasses, okay? So an invention is a new useful process, machine, or improvement that did not exist before. You're going to go through, here's some examples of inventions. You're going to go through and read about just famous inventors like Benjamin Franklin, Sarah Breedlove Walker, Thomas Edison, George Washington Carver, peanut butter. Kid inventors, okay? You guys can be the next kid inventor. All you have to do is now it's your turn. Start thinking about some things that you could invent. Have fun with it, okay? It doesn't have to be realistic. Guys, stop being so serious. I don't know how many times I said stop being so serious, at least 10 times on here. We are not in school with me. So I get things, guys, you've got to make this fun. I can't be in there shaking you guys and going, have fun, smile, have fun, smile. If you need me to do that, shake yourself real quick and hear me saying, have fun and smile, okay? Have fun and smile. So come up with your own invention. Because yes, I'm old and I can't see that. I need it bigger. So list some inventions you might be curious about. Anything you guys want. Like I could sit here and say, I don't know, maybe a frog habitat. I don't know, maybe a game with squeezimals. I don't know how to spell squeezimals. Anyway, then, or a problem you want to fix. Is there a product you wish to improve? So it could be something that there already is, but you're like, man, this thing stinks. So what's something you want to improve? You guys can draw or upload onto Flipgrid, but you guys are going to do that Friday, right? With your box inventions. Do you have an idea? Solve it, okay? Awesome inventions. Here's the next thing. Why was it in? So think of some awesome invention like, for me, coffee. How? So maybe, why was coffee invented? Who invented it? Name the invention to research. Like, guys, come on. Stop taking this so seriously. I'm serious, okay? You've made me now record an 8-minute video telling you guys to chill out. Calm it down. Calm it down. All right? Have some fun. Now, the next thing, everybody's saying, I don't see the box invention. I don't see the cardboard box. I assigned that. Okay, let me go back to classwork and this week. If you guys see, where is it? Right here, it says Thursday/Friday, cardboard box. Oops, it's gonna take me to Flipgrid. Okay, if you see this cardboard box challenge, okay, it says open up Flipgrid and use whatever you have at home. You are not allowed to buy anything. You guys will see people were making comments, it won't let me in, it won't let me in. That was my fault. Okay, but I think I fixed it. Una said she could get in now. Okay, so when you go in and you put your 9800 number, blah, 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 and you go in, it'll take you to the cardboard box invention, and that's what this is. It says, turn a cardboard box into something cool. You can use any materials you find in your house. Use your imagination. When you're done, post a video of your creation. Don't forget to talk about your design and your process. So when you post your video, say, hey, I turned this into a blah, 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 blah. How I did that was blah, 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 blah. Guys, if you don't have a cardboard box, use a shoebox, a cereal box, or whatever. I don't care. Just have fun inventing something from home with materials you already have at home. Use recyclable materials, okay? And then click the little plus button and record your video and show us your invention and tell us what you did, how you did it, blah, blah, blah. Okay, I'm done ranting. 10 minutes. I love you guys. I miss you. I'm going to end you with stop being so serious. And what do you think I'm going to tell him, Izzy?
Have fun.
Have fun. That's right. Even my first grader, Izzy, is telling you guys, have fun. All right, I'm done. I'm out.